I thanks President Donald Trump on the behalf of my Jammu Kashmir community in USA and on the behalf of my nation occupied and divided by India, Pakistan and China to stop war on Jammu Kashmir between India and Pakistan. I appeal from the world community to put pressure on both India and Pakistan to withdraw their occupied forces from Jammu Kashmir state and free and independent Kashmir can be bridge of friendship, bridge of trade, bridge of peace between India, Pakistan and China. Kashmir issue is a nuclear flashpoint because it is occupied by three nuclear powers, India, Pakistan and China. If that war is not stopped, then the rest of the world can face the consequences of Third World War. To avoid the world from the Third World War, there must be a peace in South Asia and the world which is related with the freedom of Jammu and Kashmir state. And freedom of Jammu and Kashmir state is freedom of Indian and Pakistani peoples, millions of Indian and Pakistani peoples from starvation, hunger, poverty, ignorance and terrorism. In this way, the peace of South Asia is related with the freedom of Jammu and Kashmir state, and peace of the world is related with the Jammu Kashmir, freedom of Jammu Kashmir state. That is very important, but world community should play an important role to stop genocide and human rights violation in Jammu and Kashmir state. Thanks on the behalf of my oppressed and divided Jammu Kashmir state, for the whole USA nation, government and rest of the world who play to stop war between India and Pakistan and Jammu and Kashmir states.